Okay, so here we have the Loomis Street Railroad crossing. This crossing looked better when in like August this year, so here's the Siemens signal base. Siemens gate mechanism. Another Siemens base. Siemens gate mechanism. Emergency contact depot. And an easy gate. So safe trim lights. And I think half bell is new. So we're gonna change. WCA's base. Safe train gate mechanism. Okay, so Siemens base. Siemens gate mechanism, safe train lights, more safe train lights. So now I think that's it for the Loomis Street Railroad crossing tour. Okay, so hope you enjoyed. Bye.